Let me show you how I make my homemade sun-dried tomato hummus. Now this stuff tastes incredible. I love the smooth, creamy texture, and it only takes a few ingredients, so let's get into it. I start by adding some washed organic chickpeas to the blender, and then I add sun-dried tomato, tahini butter, 1 clove of garlic, and then my seasonings of choice. So it's oregano, paprika, sea salt, black pepper, and onion powder. And then I'm gonna add lemon juice and olive oil. And then you blend it up. It's that easy, and you wanna make sure that you blend it to a smooth consistency, just like this. It's perfect. So I like to top my hummus, and on this occasion, I'm gonna be topping it with some freshly chopped parsley and chili flakes, and then a little bit more olive oil to go on top. Hummus is one of my favorite things to make. It's really easy. It doesn't take any prep. I can have it for snacks with crackers or my vegetable of choice, or I can have it for lunch on a salad. And I like to infuse different flavors in my hummus. So a sun-dried tomato one or a caramelized onion one are my go-to flavors. So I really hope you enjoy this recipe. Let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you next time.